Uh, while we're still in texts, another tag that is used very often is BR. So let me show you something. For example, I want to make a huge white space between these two paragraphs of mine. So I press enter, and as you see, I have a lot of white space over here. So I save, and when I come here and reload, as you see, no changes are made. This is because in HTML, the space between codes doesn't matter at all. So in order to show the line break or a white space or something like that, you need to use its own tag. You know what I'm saying? So the tag we have for line breaks is BR. I can, write it multiple times. And as you see, the BR tag is the kind that does not require and does not have an end tag, an ending. So this is single and isolated. So as I reload, as you see, I have exactly what I wanted. This is BR. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.